back to another makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this makeup look right here. It's super easy. Anybody could do it. You guys asked me to do more smoky eye looks, so here's one of them. I really hope you guys like it. I did pair it up with this like pink nude lip gloss. I didn't want to use the same, you know, nude lipsticks that I always pretty much use, so I decided to switch it up a little bit and I came up with this, so I hope you guys like it. But anyways, I also wanted to mention that this video is in partnership with Semper. I worked with them in the past when I barely started my YouTube channel and I started uploading. They were one of the first companies that ever sent me something and that I work with, so I'm here working with them again and I'm so excited. So let me tell you guys a little bit about Semper. Semper is a monthly perfume subscription that you guys can subscribe to receive monthly perfumes. They have a bunch of designer perfumes that you guys could pick from. I received a bunch of them. Let me show you guys. I got 5 of them, literally. Like, they all smell amazing. I love all of them, but my favorite is probably this one right here. This one is my favorite. This one is, let me see, this one is Guilty by Gucci. I was gonna say it backwards, but I got it. Anyways, yeah, this one is my favorite one. I think it's really cool because it's super easy to use. Another thing I love about this is that it's really small, so it's perfect for traveling. I personally keep it in my purse all the time because, you know, I go out, I like to smell good, so I like to spray myself here and there. So sometimes even my friends ask me for some, so it's perfect. It doesn't take too much space. But yeah, you guys, make sure you check out Semper. I'll have everything listed down below, that way you guys could check it out. But I'll have the links and everything, that way it could take you directly to their website. But that is pretty much it. Now let's just get started.
Okay, so I already primed my face off camera, but now I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blender. For concealer today, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm in the color Medium Sand. I'm also going to be bronzing my face, and I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I've been using this a lot lately, like non-stop, but I really want to try a new bronzer, so let me know which one is your favorite so I could go pick it up, because I really need to try a different bronzer. I've been wanting to for a while, so yeah, definitely let me know down below. And for blush, I'm using Dandelion by Benefit as well. And yeah, I'm going to be applying a lot of this blush because I really like it. And of course, let's not forget about the highlight. You guys know I can't let that go. So today I'm using the Anastasia and AMREZY highlighter. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I'm gonna check and I'll let you guys know in the description box. But yeah, this is the highlight I always use and you guys always ask me. So yeah, if it's available, you guys need to get your hands on it because it's a bomb ass highlighter, okay? I just finished doing my face makeup and now I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow. So the first color I'm going to be applying on my crease is called Punch Me. It's like a really nice brown eyeshadow. Like I said, I'm placing this on the crease and I'm using my Morphe M441 brush to apply this color. The next color I'm going to apply is called Tea, and I'm placing this on the crease as well, but I am using a different brush. This one is the Morphe M433. I'm going back with the first brush I was using to blend both colors together. Now for the eyelid color, I'm going to be applying this darker brown eyeshadow called Benny. I'm using the Morphe M433 to apply this color. I used this brush because it was easier for me because I could blend at the same time. So yeah, I just used the same brush and I'm gonna apply this all over my entire eyelid. I'm also going to be highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone, and I'm using this eyeshadow called Ring Light. It's like a really nice white shimmery eyeshadow. It's perfect to highlight the brow bone or the inner corners of your eye. I'm also going to be applying glitter on the inner corners of my eye, and I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter, and it's called Midnight Cowboy. For lips today, I'm going to be using my MAC lip liner, and it's called Whirl. And for lip gloss, I'm going to be using this one by Frankierosecosmetics, and I'm not sure what it's called, but it'll be listed down below. To finish up this look, I'm going to be setting my makeup, but after that is done, I am all finished with this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys loved it. It's perfect for the night or when you go clubbing or, you know, wherever you want to wear it to. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.